Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you Sheesham wooden bed design ideas for your bedroom. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, a good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental well-being as it keeps us well rested, relaxed and prepared for the day ahead. Poor sleep can lead to lethargy, higher stress levels and decreased productivity, and can affect our overall quality of life. That's why is it critical to invest in a high quality bed that not only looks good but also delivers supreme comfort and long lasting durability. Only Rivaj Woodwork and Furniture offers the most trusted bed designs in Pakistan, offering unmatched style, comfort, durability, and value. When searching for beds in Pakistan, it's important to choose the one that best suits your interior, your needs, and your budget. We offer a number of bed designs ranging from classic and luxurious to contemporary and sleek to minimalist to ensure you find that one that's right for you. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.